Lalitya Quiz Contest!
Greetings everyone, welcome back to Laditya Quiz Contest. Today we will be playing quiz here as always, and we have both of our participants ready, Suhita
Hello!
and Sudhanva.
Hi.
Yeah,
And
So-
Lalitya,
yeah.
our
So
anchor.
guys, today we'll be having quiz. There are 6 rounds in this quiz today, and yeah, there are different types of questions in each round. I will let you know about what the types of questions are, the format of them, the points awarded, and so on. So we will start with round 1. Take your pick. In this round, I will, yeah.
By all means.
Yeah. In round 1, take your pick. I will ask each participant 3 questions. The first question will have 3 options, second question will have 4 options, and third question will have 5 options. In all 3 cases, only one is the correct answer. You have 5 points for each question, so you can earn 15 points. And yes, no question in the entire quiz is passed. I may ask the other participant to guess the answer, but it is for guess only, not
Okay.
for
Okay,
points.
okay.
And yes, you only get one try for all questions,
Okay.
for every question.
Accepted.
And yes, if you don't know the answer, you can say I don't know. But remember, no question has negative marking, so try to give the answer.
Okay,
So
no
let us start. Round 1. Take your pick. Are we ready?
By all means.
So we'll start with our first participant, Sudhanva. Your first question is: where was the final of the 2007 ICC World T20 held? Johannesburg, Cape Town, or Bloemfontein?
Johannesburg.
Johannesburg, what do you think?
Johannesburg.
It's the right answer. How many films directed by K. Asif were released in his lifetime? के आसिफने निर्देशन केलेले किती सिनेमे त्याच्या आयुष्य काळात रिलीज झाले? None, 2, 8 or 23?
8.
8. What do you think?
Repeat the options.
None,
Huh?
2,
2,
8,
Hmm.
23.
23. It's a 2.
2, you are absolutely right. Only 2 films are ever released in his lifetime. He has directed only 6 films. The remaining 4 are not completed by him. The 2 films which he directed and released in his lifetimes were Mughal-e-Azam 1960, very famous film, and Fool in 1945. He was only able to complete 2 films in his lifetime.
It's a fool means flower.
Yeah,
Not
fool.
crazy man.
No, Phol, fool.
It's a flower.
So you don't get points for that. No problem. Which is the deepest lake in the world? सर्वात खोल तलाव कोणता आहे? Victoria, Superior, Baikal, Dal, or Aral?
I don't know the answer, but I will guess
Yes,
Victoria.
Victoria. Are you sure?
No, it's a guess.
It's a guess. Okay, no problem.
Dull.
Dal, no, both of you are wrong. I was looking for Lake Baikal in Siberia, Russia. It is almost 5,500 meters.
Oh,
It is the deepest lake in the world.
wow.
Lake Victoria is in Africa, and I don't think it comes
Too much
in-
deep.
It's not that deep.
And
Okay,
Dull
so-
Lake?
No, that is not at all very deep.
Okay.
Okay. So you scored 1 correct, that is 5 points, but don't worry, you still have 5 more wonderful, interesting rounds
Yes.
to go. Now let us move on to our second participant. Are you ready?
Yes, by all means.
Who is the most recorded artist in music history? कोणत्या कलाकाराने सर्वात जास्त गाणी रेकॉर्ड केलेली आहेत? लता मंगेशकर, आशा भोसले और मोहम्मद रफी?
It's Lata Mangeshkar.
Lata Mangeshkar, are you sure?
Yes,
What do you think?
I
definitely.
think it's Asha Bhosle.
You are right, it is Asha Bhosle. Asha Bhosle has recorded 11,000 songs,
Wow.
11,000 plus. songs
Wow.
in 20 Indian languages. It is a record by
Yeah.
the Guinness Book. What kind of water body is Caspian Sea? Caspian Sea हे कोणत्या प्रकारचं काय आहे?
समुद्र आहे. कोणत्या
नाही, नाही,
प्रकारचा
नाही,
समुद्र
नाही,
आहे?
नाही. कोणत्या प्रकारचं
पाणवठा आहे किंवा
पाणवठा आहे? कोणत्या प्रकारचा पाणवठा आहे?
हा
बे, खाडी,
हा बरोबर खाडी.
खाडी, रिव्हर, नदी,
हम्म.
सी, समुद्र,
हम्म.
का लेक, तलाव.
It's a sea.
Sea. The
Yes.
Caspian Sea is a sea.
Yes, yes,
Are you sure?
yes.
What do you think?
I think it's a lake.
You're right. The
No.
name says sea, but it is a lake. It is not at all. It is completely surrounded by land on all four sides. It does not qualify to become a sea.
It has too much salt. That's why we can
No,
float.
there are a lot of salty lakes, like Chilka in India. We have
In Israel,
Dead Sea. I don't really know well, but I think it is a sea. But Caspian Sea is not a sea; it is a lake. But yes, it is
Oh, wow.
very salty. In fact, in recent years, the Caspian Sea has dried up, and because it is salty, it has left a lot of salt sediments
बापरे.
on the ground, and this makes the land not suitable to grow crops, so it is very harmful. And
Yeah.
whenever winds blow, it creates a lot of dangerous problems. Okay, so you don't get points for that. Your third question, final question in round one is, whose autobiography is Dreams from My Father?
Dreams from my father.
कोणाची autobiography? अमिताभ बच्चन,
Hmm.
सचिन तेंडुलकर,
Hmm.
बेअर ग्रिल्स,
Hmm.
Indira Gandhi, Barack Obama.
Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi, what do you think?
I don't know.
Okay, not trying, no problem. Worries. You're sure on Indira
Yes,
Gandhi?
yes, sure, sure. नेहरूनी तिला पत्र लिहिलं होतं.
Indira Gandhi is not the correct answer.
Oh.
The one which you
Sachin
thought was
Tendulkar?
letters to father, something like that. I don't really exactly remember the name, but it is something like that. It is not Indira Gandhi, it's not even Sachin Tendulkar.
Oh.
It is Barack Obama,
बापरे.
the US president, the ex
And who
former
is his
US
father?
president. No, I did not gather that much information.
Okay.
But yes, that is his autobiography.
Because he had British mother and South African father, I think.
Yeah, he is of
Huh.
African origin.
Yes.
He's
of
the
African-
first US president of African origin.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
so you don't get any points in this round.
Okay.
But don't worry, there are 5 more rounds to go. So guys, that concludes round 1. Take your pick.
Yes.
Now we will have round 2. What's the question? In this round we do opposite of what we generally do. I give you the answer, you give me the question. I will ask each participant, I will give you 3 answers. You have to frame a question and give me. I will see if it is right. And you have 10 points for each question. So you can have 30 points in this round. Let us begin with participant 1. Sudharva, are you ready?
Yeah.
Thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin.
Which are the medicines on malaria?
No, not at all.
Which are pituitary glands you found in thyroid?
No,
Uh,
not at all. This has got nothing to do with the
असतात.
glands in our body. Name some vitamin B complexes.
Oh.
Thiamine is vitamin B1,
माहिती होतं.
riboflavin is vitamin B2,
अरे.
niacin is B3.
First one.
So yes, you don't get any of these wrong. By the way, that which you are looking for, hormone, is thyroxine, not thiamine.
Thyroxine.
Your second answer is kleptomaniac.
ऐकलेलं वाटतंय.
It's alright if you answer in Marathi, I can accept that, except for round 4 vocab.
No, don't know.
No idea, not trying. Okay.
Kleptomaniac ना? What did you found in the system of your eye,
No,
body
not
part.
at all. Not at all. A
Retina
kleptomaniac is a person who has the constant urge to steal things.
To?
Steal.
ओके, चोर, ज्याला चोरी
चोर.
करावी वाटते.
खूप
Wow.
चोरी करावीशी वाटते.
काय नाव आहे, काय शब्द?
Kleptomaniac.
वाव, क्लेप्टोमेनिया.
Okay.
Interesting question.
Indeed. Yeah, rather difficult questions in this round. The third answer is he was the first vice president of independent India. Very famous.
Who's Dr. Rajendra Prasad?
No,
नेहरू.
no. Who is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan?
सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन.
He was the
अरे, नेहरू
first
होते.
vice president of India.
अच्छा, हाँ.
Nehru was the first
Oh,
prime minister
prime
of
minister.
India, and
Shit,
Rajendra
shit,
Gandhi.
Rajendra
Rajendra
was
Prasad, I'm
president.
extremely sorry, pardon my words, was the first president of
President.
India.
President, right.
Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan is remembered as the second president of India,
Oh, बरोबर आहे.
but he was also the first vice president of India.
Right, right.
And yes, on his birthday we celebrate Teachers'
Teachers'
Day.
Day.
There is a wonderful story behind that actually. He was a teacher, he was a professor, and when his students came to him and asked him that how should we celebrate your birthday after you're dead, he said that don't celebrate my birthday, celebrate it as a teacher's day, celebrate it for all the teachers around the world, and that's how we got the Teachers' Day. That's the
Wow,
story.
nice story.
So unfortunately you don't get any points in this round. Don't worry, we still have more questions to go. Are you ready? Participant 2, Sudhita.
Yes.
Muhammad Yusuf Khan. There are two answers. One is very famous answer. The other I will not be telling here. It is a very lesser one.
What is the other name of Muhammad Azharuddin?
Muhammad Azharuddin.
Yusuf Khan. Sorry, Dilip Kumar.
Dilip Kumar is
Dilip
the
Kumar,
right
film
answer.
star.
That's what I was looking for. I will give you this. Okay.
Thank you.
An igloo.
इग्लू. मराठी सांगितलं चालेल ना? टुंड्रा प्रदेशातली लोक म्हणजे जिथे राहतात त्या त्यांच्या घराला काय म्हणतात?
No, it is somewhat correct, but not only the people in tundra regions, even in the polar regions.
हा.
What do you call a house made out of
House
ice?
made- हा हा ओके.
So
बर्फाचं
you
घर.
you don't get points for that. It is the only country whose flag is not a square or rectangle. हा असा एकमेव देश आहे ज्याचा राष्ट्रीय ध्वज हा आयताकार किंवा चौकोनी नाही.
आयताकार किंवा चौकोनी नाही. Which is the flag of Papua New Guinea?
No.
त्यांचा वेगळा असतो अरे.
No. Papua New Guinea flag is somewhat like a square. This side is sorry for you. This side is black and this side is red, and you have some kind of emblem-like things on the
नेपाळ.
back side.
नेपाळ.
Yes, Nepal would have been right, but only one guess you get.
अरे नाही चालतं ना. बरं ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट.
So you don't get points for that. The flag of Nepal is like this.
मला नेपाळच वाटत.
This
हो,
you
असं
might have not
असं
understood this, but
triangles.
try to get it. It is two triangles. It symbolizes the mountains in the
वाटलेलं
country.
खरं ते आधी.
In fact, just a fun fact so you know, the entire flag of Nepal can be drawn with a straight edge and compass. And it is written into their constitution how you can draw the flag using simple geometric instruments. You only need a compass, straight edge, and pencil.
वाव.
That's a wonderful thing. Really wonderful. It is what makes that flag really awesome. It has directions to make it in
Yeah.
actual mathematical language, like you'd say, draw line segment AB of required length, 4 by 3 times AB, make BC and all that. Okay, I will not become
Wow.
too much. Okay, anyways,
Nice
so that concluded round 2. What's the question? Now we'll have round 3, mixed bag. In this round, I ask the participants the questions, but the participants don't give me the answer, they write it down on a piece of paper.
ओके.
They have 15 seconds to do so. We have a clock here, and yes, there are 5 questions, 10 points per question, so 50 points in this round. Are we ready?
येस.
Yeah.
Okay.
अँड इट्स अ बजर राऊंड.
No.
नो. ओके ओके ओके.
In which state are you if people are celebrating Bihu, जर लोक बिहू उत्सव सेलिब्रेट करतायत तर आपण कोणत्या राज्यात आहोत? स्टार्ट रायटिंग. Okay, 15 seconds are up. We have
आसाम.
Assam. It is ASSAM. Assam, Odisha. No, Assam would have been the right answers. Bihu is the festivals. There are different types of Bihu. Magh Bihu and many different types. I don't remember them all. Yes, but it is celebrated in Assam. So you get the points. Wonderful knowledge you showed there.
Thank you.
In Mahabharata, who taught Uttara music and dance? Mahabharata, Uttarala, dance and music.
कळलं.
Start writing your answer now. 15 seconds are up. We have Arjun, we have Brihannada. Both are acceptable.
What? Sure.
Wonderful. Both of you get the points. Actually, I wouldn't be pleased if you wrote Arjun / Brihannada, but okay.
Person is one.
Both are acceptable. Adolf Hitler fought as a soldier in World War I. I'm serious or joking? Start writing your answers now. 15 seconds are up. We have joking, we have serious. One of you is right, one of you is wrong, but that much is obvious. Sudhanva, you are right. It is serious. Adolf,
सेकंड मध्ये लढणार आहे.
at that time, he
Napoleon.
was the dictator. In First World War, Adolf Hitler enrolled in the army and his regiment was the 16th Bavarian Reserve Regiment. He fought the World War I for Germany. It is also a legend that he was almost killed by an American, but the American took pity on his situation and decided to leave him.
I thought it happened in World War
In World War II, he did
Second.
not fight as a soldier. He did.
Okay.
He was.
Yes, he was
He
there,
was there, but he did not.
Okay,
He was
okay.
not a soldier. Okay.
Okay.
So you get points for that. Which continent has the most countries? कोणत्या महाखंडात सर्वात जास्त देश आहेत? Start writing your answer now. 15 seconds are up. We have Asia, Africa.
आपल्याला एशियाच वाटतं. आफ्रिकेमध्ये नाही आहेत जास्त देश, एशियामध्ये आहेत. हे सगळे आहेत ना तिथेच आपले.
One of you is right, one of you is wrong.
ऑब्विसली. सांग पटकन. डोंट आमचा बीपी नको वाढवू.
Africa is the right answer. Africa has 54 countries. Asia has something like 46 or 48.
Oh.
The countries in Africa are Algeria, no. Seriously, I'm not going to say all 54. Okay, so you get points for that. There are 54. We'll be spending half an hour for that.
Yeah, so funny.
Okay. No, thank you. Which organ is majorly affected by hepatitis? Hepatitis मध्ये सर्वात जास्त असर कोणत्या organ वरती होतो? Start writing your answers now. 15 seconds are up. We have liver. Liver is LIVER, by the way.
Yeah.
Liver is the right answer. Hepatitis means, basically the word itself means swelling of the liver.
Oh. World is means काय काय सांगणार?
Word itself means swelling of the liver.
Swelling of liver.
It is not caused, it is an infectious disease, it is caused by pathogens, but
Yes.
it majorly affects the liver. Okay, now we will have round 4 vocabulary. In this round, I give you the question which is related to vocabulary. The question itself contains the instructions. You have around 10 seconds to think about the question and then you can hit the buzzer and give the answer. Remember, you are to hit the buzzer only after I say go.
Yes.
I will not consider it if you do it before.
Yes.
So, if you are ready, we can start.
By all means.
Rearrange the letters in the word life. 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 Yeah. To get a word which means a document.
Document.
Yeah. Start thinking. Ten seconds are up. Go.
File.
Absolutely right. Rearrange the letters in the word icon. Icon as in a star, you could say. Icon, to get a type of money. Start thinking. 10 seconds are up. Go.
कॉइन.
Absolutely right. Rearrange the letters in the word pace. Pace as in the speed, you could say. Pace.
स्पेस का
No,
पेस?
pace. Pace.
पेस असा शब्दच नाहीये.
Pace.
फास्ट फास्ट म्हणायचंय तुला.
The pace. A speed, you could say. Pace. The speed. Or a stride.
पेस्ट वेगळं चिक्क.
No, it is pace. To get
Pace.
a word which means the tip of a mountain on sea. Start thinking.
माउंटनचं काय पुन्हा एकदा सांग.
The tip of a mountain along the sea. Ten seconds are up. Go.
केप. CAP.
Absolutely right. Read the word gum. Gum as in gum or glue. Read it backwards to get an instrument from which beverages can be drunk. Ten seconds are up. Go.
मग.
Mug is the right answer. Read the word eye. Read the word eye backwards to get a sense organ. Start thinking. Ten seconds are up. Go.
मी केलं.
आय.
Eye.
मी केलं होतं आधी. मला दिलं.
Okay. This concludes round 4 vocabulary. Now we will take a very short break. During the break, guys, please enjoy the wonderful space information given by one of our contestants, Suhita. So, guys, see you after the break.
लालित्य क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट. हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, मी आली आहे परत घेऊन तुमच्या आवडीच्या स्पेसच्या गमती जमती. आजची काय आहे गंमत जरा बघूया. मित्रांनो, अंतराळात हायड्रोजन सोडून बाकी सर्व एलिमेंट्स हे ताऱ्यांमध्ये बनतात. म्हणजे असं बघा, जर आपण आपल्या शरीरात पाहिलं तर 40% वर आपल्यात एकटा हायड्रोजन सोडून इतर सगळे एलिमेंट्स असतात. म्हणजे आता ह्या अंगांनी विचार केला तर आपण सगळे 40% वर काय आहोत, तर ताऱ्यांची धूळ आहोत केवळ. काय आहे की नाही गंमत.